today we will practice a very simple yet very effective pranayam called Anulom Vilom or Nadi shodhana. This beautiful pranayam not only balances the right and left hemisphere of the brain but also harmonizes the masculine and feminine qualities that are present in each of us. So let's begin by sitting comfortably in Sukhasana. You can also place a pillow under your hip to make it more comfortable for you today, give you a little bit of height. Take a deep breath and just check in with yourself. See if you are holding any tension in your neck, your shoulders, the chest or the belly, or even gripping with your fingers. Just shake your wrists out a little bit and release all that tension. Nice. Allow your mind to focus on the present. Let go of what has happened during the day and let your plans for the future simply melt away. As you arrive in Sukhasana, take a moment to check in with yourself. Check if you are holding any tension in the neck, the shoulders, the chest, the stomach, or gripping with your fingers. Just relax. Take another deep breath in. Circle the shoulders forward, up, and as you exhale, gently drop them back and down the spine. As you take another deep breath, allow your chest to lift and rise. And as you exhale, soften the belly but maintain the length in your spine. Gently place your left wrist over the left knee and bring the tip of the first finger and thumb together in Chin Mudra or Nyanya Mudra. On your right hand, bring the first two fingers, the index and the middle finger, down towards the palm to form the Vishnu Mudra. If this seems too difficult for you today, you can bring the ring finger down as well and simply use your thumb and little finger. We are going to breathe in through the left, pause briefly at the end of the inhalation and slowly exhale through the right. Let's do this together 4 times. Let's begin. Bring your thumb towards your right nostril and inhale through your left. Cover the left and switch. Exhale through your right. Once more, inhale through the left. Pause briefly and switch. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the left. Exhale right. And the last time, inhale left and exhale right. Let's repeat this now by inhaling from the right side. Let's begin. Inhale right. Switch, exhale left. And again, inhale right. Switch, exhale left. Once more, inhale right. Switch, exhale left. And the last time, inhale right. And exhale left. If that was comfortable for you, let's do one full round together. Bring your hands close to your nose, thumb over your right nostril and inhale left. Pause, switch, exhale right. Now inhale right. Pause, switch, exhale left. That was one full round. Now let's see if we can do one full round of Anulom Vilom for a count of 5 each on the inhalation and the exhalation. Let's begin together. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause and switch. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see if we can practice this for just 2 minutes by setting up our count in our mind so we can practice at a pace that's comfortable to us. Let's do this together. Begin. Gently blink your eyelids open.